back, loves. Today we're going into the ZuluPalette by Juvia's place first, and we're going in with the yellow. I'm being goofy already, don't mind me. And we're going in with that in the first inner part of the eye, the first third, and just pat until you get the pigment you want. I'm sorry, I'm watching 85 South Show again. So I'm just tapping it on. And next we're going into the same palette and we're going to use that purple shade. And I'm going into the second third part of the eye. And I'm just tapping it on, building until I get to the pigmentation that I want. So I'm just tapping. And now I'm going into this palette I got called Bright, and I'm using the blue shade. And I'm going on the final third outer part of the eye. And I'm just tapping on and building pigment. Going in with the NYX glitter primer. I have 4 different shades. And I'm going to end up interchanging the colors so that the glitter is on a different part of the eye. I'm just carving out where I want to place my glitter with the glue. So I have yellow, blue, and purple. So I'm using the blue glitter on the innermost part of the eye underneath the yellow. And then next I'm going to do the yellow shade of glitter in the middle underneath the purple. And then I'm going in with the purple glitter underneath the blue. Okay, so the eyes are done. And then I also went in where my crease is between the matte shade and the glitter. I had a purple, blue, and yellow, and I interchanged those as well. So I lined the purple along the blue along the yellow, and then the yellow along the blue on the end. I'm just gonna let you finish watching to the end. Oh, and a side note, I know you saw all the fallout that was on my lashes. I was being lazy. So what I do is I just take liquid liner and just put them all over top of the lash so you can't tell that the shadow was there. Okay, I'm going to start talking now. Okay, loves, we are at the end of our tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you have anything else that you would like to see from me, make sure you comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell button. And stay tuned for my next video. Until next time.